In this video, I will tell you how to hide COD for fraud customers. So for this, I have used advanced cash and delivery app. You can also install the same app from Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link of this app in the description box. You can check it out. Once installed, then click on advanced cash and delivery app, then limit COD based on customer configure button. Then you need to select your payment method, that is cash on delivery. If you have already added fee for cash on delivery in your Shopify settings, then you need to toggle on this button and you need to add a delivery method here. We don't have any fee for cash on delivery, so I am toggling off this button and change the status to enabled and add hide COD for the customer with tag and enter the customer tag name here. No COD. Tag has been added. Now save your changes. If you want to add any customer here, then you can add your customer here. I have also added the customer. Then we will copy the customer address and enter the tag name here as no COD. Now save the changes. Now we will test this on our online store. Now we will add any product to the cart and we'll proceed to the checkout and we will add that customer's address here. The customer is from Canada, then we will change the country and we will add the address here. We will also add the customer's mobile number or email. And we will add the customer's name here. Then you can check only prepaid options are available. Cash on delivery is not available. So that's it. You have successfully set up how to hide COD for fraud customers. If you like this video, then do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy selling.